guys, what's up? So I was just, who's calling me now? This vlog is gonna be a really cluttered vlog. I can literally imagine it being that. So I'm going to London and I thought that I'll just make this video where like a little bit of preparations and shit, then what all happens, what all goes behind it. Like it's gonna be a really cluttered vlog, so I'm prepared for that and you guys should be prepared for that as well. Today I think it's 12th and I got my vaccine today, like second dose, so I'm sorted, but then I can't go for like the next 15 days and I'm very excited. I'm going for my third year and I was back because of COVID and I haven't done my accommodation yet. Accommodation is a really tough task, so hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. Hi guys, so right now I received this parcel from Urbane. So the first one is this. It's like a sweatshirt. It's like this. I have thought to like style this with a skirt, fabric and all. It's pretty warm. Oh, it's good for the London weather. I got this blazer leather. Oh my god. It's so sick. So that's how it's looking. My t-shirt is stained. And this is the other one. It's so loose to me, but that's how I wanted it. It looks pretty good. Yeah, girl, I love it. So I am not working now. My internet is being bad. I have a lot of things to do and I'm very scared. I have college assignments, a group presentation, finalize my accommodation. I have to pack, I have to shop. I am so gone. Another day, another stressful day. I don't even know how to explain this. I am so stressed right now. I just got to know that I have, oh fuck, you need an individual report for that as well. I just got to know I have 2 presentations that are coming up in the next week. The individual one, I haven't even prepared for it at all. Like, I mean, I didn't know it's now. Like, I wasn't aware. I'm scared as hell. I haven't finalized my accommodation yet. I would literally cry right now. I'm so stressed. I can't find any flats. I can't. Hi. I think I am gonna finalize one of the 2 options that I have. So one of them is this. I mean, all these rooms look the same. Confusion occurs. The one which is far has way more facilities than the one which is near. There is a price difference. The one which does not have so many facilities is more expensive. So yeah. I was so sick yesterday. Now I woke up and I'm feeling way better. Update. I am going to send out my last orders of my scrunchies. I have to finish my presentation and I still haven't finalized the accommodation. That's the thing that is annoying me the most at this moment. I am now going to make my last stitch for this business and bye bye everyone. This is so annoying. I'm sick again. So much shit to do and I'm sick. I have so much work. I don't want to face this right now. So that's my mood board. I hate referencing. And in my uni they need referencing for every single word, I think. The biggest thing that's annoying me is the accommodation thing. I am almost done with one of my assignments, but I still need to deduct the word count because I've exceeded it as usual. Then tomorrow I have a big day. I have a presentation. We still have a lot of challenges to face. Yay! Presentation day. Yeah, so for the trends, they have both menswear and womenswear. Talking about the customer mood board, that's where they keep going to art galleries and fashion museums, websites such as Business of Fashion or Drapers, etc. It's based
like fully on satin and all. वो मैंने लिखा क्योंकि वो फिर एक unique selling point हो जाएगा. The USP of this business is that are not silk satin, but they are polyester. See, customization is provided to each customer.
What are they doing? They're cutting the trees. What the fuck? There's such a big tree here. This is bad. Wait, I'll show you. Why are they doing it though? I had how do I record? Yeah. So I just wanted to talk about the accommodation, and I think it has got finalized. Where I'm living in a shared flat with a girl. It's like a 2-room thing. It's just 5 minutes away from my uni, walking. But I haven't confirmed it yet because I need to pay him 2 months in advance because he needs to get some new stuff for me, like a new bed, then cupboard, the study table, mirrors, etc. So, but I haven't seen the house yet. They don't have a proper video of it yet. So on Saturday they are gonna go to the house, take a video. They're gonna send it to me. If I like it, I'll approve it and I'll just pay the 2 months in advance. Finally, the pictures of the house are here. Are you ready for it?
Probably the smell of freshly cut grass. Oh, that's a good one.
Okay, so the room is not made yet. This is my room.
Let's go.
It's just a gist. It's renovating, so everything is gonna be so new. So that's my room. Like, it's this big. Okay, so I am ending the vlog here, and next up is gonna be all my preparations and such as packing and all of that, as I have almost finalized the accommodation. So that is the reason why I just thought of ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the other exciting videos that are gonna come up. Bye bye.